Good morning, everyone! Today we're learning 5 common phrasal verbs.
We're ready.
Wake up means stop sleeping.
Wake up.
Give up means don't quit.
Give up.
Turn on starts a device.
Turn on.
Look for means search.
Look for.
Find out means discover.
Find out.
I wake up early, I never give up. I turn on my laptop.
I look for my phone. I found out the answer. Excellent! Great job, everyone!
Thank you, teacher.
Let's review 2 essential phrasal verbs. Number 1. Wake up. It means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 every morning. Number 2. Give up, to stop trying or quit a habit. Like, don't give up, or he gave up smoking. Keep practicing these daily. Now, let's look at 2 more everyday phrasal verbs. Number 3. Turn on. It means to start a machine or device. For example, turn on the TV, or please turn on the computer. Number 4. Look for, to try to find something or someone. Like, I'm looking for my keys. Practice these every day to speak like a native.